The moment you decide to create a new story, the universe aligns with your vision. Neville Goddard. Imagine for a moment that you hold within you the power to shape your reality. This isn't just a fanciful thought, it's a profound truth that many overlook. The secret to manifesting your desires lies in understanding how your mind works and recognizing the incredible capabilities it possesses. When you tap into this understanding, you unlock the door to a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. At the heart of this transformative process is the idea that our thoughts create our reality. Everything we experience in our lives originates from the images and feelings we entertain in our minds. If you can grasp this simple yet profound principle, you can begin to manifest your desires more rapidly and effectively. The journey starts with recognizing the power of your imagination. It is not just a tool for daydreaming, it is the very fabric of your reality. When you consciously direct your thoughts and feelings, you begin to see the world around you shift in alignment with your inner vision. Think of your imagination as a garden. Just as a garden flourishes with care and attention, so too does your reality blossom when you nurture positive thoughts and feelings. What you focus on grows. If you spend your time cultivating thoughts of abundance, love, and success, you will reap the rewards in your life. Conversely, if you dwell on lack, fear, or negativity, those are the fruits that will manifest. The key is to be intentional about what you plant in the garden of your mind. This process begins with belief. You must truly believe in the possibility of your desires manifesting. When you cultivate unwavering faith, you align your energy with the outcomes you wish to achieve. This belief acts as a magnet, drawing your desires toward you. It is essential to approach this practice with sincerity and authenticity. Affirmations and visualizations are not mere rituals, they are powerful tools that can reshape your reality. As you engage in these practices, immerse yourself in the feelings associated with having already achieved your desires. Feel the joy, the gratitude, and the excitement. This emotional connection is what solidifies your intentions in the universe. Visualize your desires as if they are already yours. See them vividly in your mind's eye and allow yourself to feel the emotions that accompany that vision. Imagine waking up in your dream life, feeling the warmth of the sun on your face, surrounded by the people and experiences that bring you joy. This exercise isn't about escape, it's about creation. The more real you make these feelings in your imagination, the more likely they are to manifest in your reality. One of the most profound aspects of this practice is the understanding that time and space are not as rigid as they seem. Often, we become trapped in the belief that our desires are far removed from our current reality, subject to the constraints of time. However, the truth is that you can transcend these limitations through your imagination. When you focus on what you desire as if it is already yours, you collapse the distance between you and your goals. The past and future become irrelevant, all that matters is the present moment and the feelings you cultivate within it. Sometimes, you may encounter resistance in the form of doubts or negative beliefs that linger in your subconscious mind. Acknowledge these feelings without judgment, but do not allow them to dominate your thoughts. Instead, gently redirect your focus back to your desired outcomes. This requires patience and persistence. The journey of manifestation is not always linear, but each step you take brings you closer to your goals. Letting go of the need to control how and when your desires will manifest is another essential aspect of this practice. While it's important to set clear intentions, holding on too tightly can create anxiety and hinder the flow of abundance. Surrender to the process, knowing that what is meant for you will come to you in the perfect timing. Allow the universe to orchestrate the details while you focus on maintaining a positive and receptive mindset. As you continue on this journey, surround yourself with positive influences. Engage with people who inspire you and uplift your spirit. Seek out resources, books, podcasts, or seminars that resonate with your aspirations and expand your understanding of manifestation. The energy of those around you can significantly impact your own vibration, so choose your companions wisely. Additionally, practice mindfulness and meditation to cultivate a deeper connection with your inner self. These practices help quiet the mind, allowing you to tune into your intuition and higher guidance. When you create space for stillness and reflection, you can more clearly hear the whispers of your soul, guiding you toward your true desires. It's also essential to take inspired action. Manifestation isn't solely about wishing for things to happen, it involves aligning your actions with your intentions. Be open to opportunities that arise and be willing to step outside of your comfort zone. Trust that when you take steps toward your goals, the universe will support your efforts in ways you may not yet understand. The path of manifesting your desires can be likened to a river flowing through the landscape of your life. At times, this river may encounter obstacles, rocks, bends, and shallow areas that can hinder its progress. These obstacles can be likened to the doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs that often surface when you are pursuing your dreams. However, just as a river finds a way around obstacles, so too can you navigate the challenges that arise on your path to manifestation. One essential aspect of this process is understanding that resistance is a natural part of growth. When you begin to manifest your desires, you may experience discomfort as you step outside of familiar patterns. This is an opportunity for growth and healing. Instead of shying away from these feelings, recognize them as signals that you are moving towards something greater. Acknowledge your fears and doubts, but do not allow them to dictate your actions. By facing them head-on, you can transform resistance into motivation, propelling you forward on your journey. Another important factor in successful manifestation is the alignment of your desires with your core values and purpose. Reflect on what truly matters to you and ensure that your goals resonate with your deepest beliefs. When your intentions are aligned with your values, you infuse your manifesting efforts with genuine passion and energy. This alignment creates a powerful force that propels you toward your goals, attracting opportunities and resources that support your vision. As you cultivate this deeper connection with your true self, consider the role of self-compassion in your manifesting journey. It's vital to treat yourself with kindness as you navigate the ups and downs of pursuing your desires. There will be moments of doubt, setbacks, and learning experiences. Allow yourself to feel these emotions without judgment. Recognizing that every experience contributes to your growth will help you maintain a positive mindset. The journey is not just about the destination, it's also about the lessons learned along the way. Engaging in practices that promote self-awareness can significantly enhance your ability to manifest. Journaling, for instance, can serve as a powerful tool for clarifying your intentions and tracking your progress. By writing down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences, you can gain valuable insights into your patterns and behaviors. This awareness allows you to make conscious choices that align with your desires, fostering a sense of empowerment in your manifesting efforts. Another effective practice is visualization, where you can immerse yourself in the experience of having already achieved your goals. Create a vivid mental picture of your desires, engaging all your senses to make it feel as real as possible. Imagine not only what you see but also what you hear, feel, and smell in that scenario. This technique strengthens the connection between your subconscious mind and your conscious desires, making it easier for you to attract what you seek. Surrounding yourself with inspiration is also vital. Seek out uplifting content, books, podcasts, and talks that ignite your passion and remind you of the limitless possibilities before you. Connecting with others who share your vision can create a sense of camaraderie and support, reinforcing your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Incorporating regular practices of mindfulness and meditation into your routine can help cultivate a deeper connection with your intuition. This heightened awareness allows you to tune into the subtle signs and guidance from the universe that can steer you toward your goals. When you are present and mindful, you become more attuned to the synchronicities that occur in your life, making it easier to recognize the opportunities that align with your desires. As you navigate this journey, maintain a curious and open mindset. Approach each experience with the belief that there is always something new to learn. The universe is a vast and ever-evolving landscape, and your perspective shapes your understanding of it. By remaining flexible and adaptable, you create space for unexpected blessings to enter your life. In conclusion, The art of manifesting your desires is not merely about wishing for things to happen, it involves a deep understanding of yourself and the world around you. As you develop your inner awareness, cultivate self-compassion, and align your goals with your values, you empower yourself to create the life you envision. Trust in your ability to navigate challenges and celebrate your progress along the way. The journey is yours to shape, and with each thought and action, you are forging a path toward your dreams. As you reflect on the insights shared, consider taking a moment to engage with this content. If you found value in these teachings, please show your appreciation by liking this video. Your support encourages the sharing of more transformative insights like these. Additionally, subscribing to the channel ensures that you remain connected to a wealth of knowledge that can assist you on your manifesting journey. By subscribing, you will receive updates on new content, empowering you to continue your growth and exploration of this fascinating subject.